Hello there. In today's video, we're gonna talk about why you should start YouTube even though you're over 50 years old. I am 54. I have been doing YouTube for about 9 years and I'm still doing it. But on this channel, I am literally all over the place. I don't know any niches or what I should do except doing what I do now and talking to you. So it seems like videos like this is somewhat blowing up on YouTube, except mine's. Mine videos don't blow up yet, but I don't care. I'm not here for any special reason, just something to do other than go to my regular job every day. And it seems like somehow higher force is at work here, and sometimes I feel it's working against me. But that's not the reason today. Today we're gonna discuss why you should start a YouTube channel even though you're over 50. It's not, this tool YouTube is not just for young people, it's for everybody. You can be 80 years old, I don't care. Just talk about things you're interested in and maybe sharing advice about things that you've learned over the years. I mean, young people usually don't have that bag of experience that older people have. So I think we are an asset to YouTube when you're, let's say, over 40 and upwards. So I don't care if you're 100 years old. Well, if you're 100 years old, you may not know how it works, but you figure it out. Just pick up your phone and record and just make a YouTube account. That's easy. So just do that. You'll either succeed or you don't succeed. It doesn't matter. Just do what you want to do and keep doing it. And there is something I have here. I have little notes all over my office here, or well, 4 of them, that tells you a story, and I think it's good advice. There is someone your age living their last day on earth, wishing they had the time you have. Don't take it for granted and make it count. I also have right in front of me, I had a note here for about 7 years. That's 2 years after I started YouTube for the first time. And it just say a few words: don't you dare give up now. And I think if you don't give up and don't care what other people say, just don't tell anybody about your YouTube channel, your friends or your family. Just do it, because it's all about numbers for YouTube. So if you get viewers that are not your family and subscribers, that is the best, because family will subscribe to you for kindness, and they might never watch one video. They just watch 2 minutes or 1 minute, and it doesn't work. You need to spread your wisdom and your experience over this platform for all others to hear. And I know my last video I was depressed, and that's a part of life. That is a part of life. Everybody can't be happy all the time, and we do what we do what you want. And if you want inspiration, there is a video. Let's see here, I have my computer here in front of me. I will try to find it. I need to go here. I need to go to YouTube and search for Casey Neistat. And he has a video that really inspires. Let's see here, video. Well, let's see if I can find it. I don't remember what we will search for do what you can't. That's the name of it. Do what you can't. Go into Casey Neistat and search for just do what you can't, and watch that video. I implore you to watch that video, because he explains it much better than I'm doing here. I've seen it so many times, and when I'm feeling down, like the last video, it might be I go watch that video, so you do the same now. And well, he explains what this community of YouTube is, and that people tell us, no, you can't do that because you're not beautiful enough, or you're not pretty enough, you don't have money. But you can, if you have some friends to help you. So go watch that video now, and you will understand what I'm talking about. You can start a YouTube channel even if you're 50, 60 or 70 years old. Just go do it. There is no reason not to do it. If you have the time and you have some interesting stories, or you do some woodwork at home or whatever, show it to the world and they will appreciate it. At least some other people. So the first thing to do now is go watch that Casey Neistat video, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.